looking at the E-mini S&P, I'm going to show you something on manipulation using what's called a roadmap software available from DayTradeToWin. I'll show you some examples of what happened today. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky, and please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. So if you're looking at currently where we are right now in the market, it is about 2:40 in the afternoon, and the market is getting stuck here in what is called a roadmap zone. This is software available at DayTradeToWin, which basically indicates that there is some indication of resistance. Really, it's manipulation that's happening. The way this works is that as traders are moving and buying the market, they have to take profit, which causes the market to stop and stall. And these zones are created in advance, so we know where the manipulation is going to occur in advance. The goal now in using the software, it provides the signal for 45.86 to go short. What I don't want to see the market do is break the zone, because then a new zone above it will be created. And instead, I want to see the market turn around and bounce off of these zones. And the same thing happened here, where the market was coming down, came right in front of the zone, and then bounced off of it. This example here, there is no stoppage. That means there's nobody taking profit. And it's extremely clear that instead of the market reversing, it just went straight through it. It happened again here as the market was coming. This is earlier. As the market is coming, hits the area and stops, and then starts to reverse and come off of it, and then tests it again and then comes off of it. So you can see the idea in showing you where the zones happen to be in advance is to first filter out trades, so we're not going long when the market lands in this area, and then second of all, we're going to look at a reversal. So think of counter trend trading. If it happens to fail and instead the market goes right through it like it did here, here's an opportunity to go long into the next zone. But at this point, the market is still stuck at the zone, and I'd like to see it reverse to go short. There is a short signal here at 45.86, and it's probably right at about break even at the moment, and now I'd like to see it go down. Usually these signals and these trades happen sooner rather than later. It's not something that we can always anticipate that it's going to immediately reverse, but that's the goal. And if you look down here at the ATR, it's about 2 points, so you can probably expect anywhere between 1.5 to 2 points of a target or more. These are great trades because they signify the beginning or the start of a move up or of a move down. And so if you're going short right here, it's a great opportunity, and I'm going to go ahead and let me just grab 1 second here for a quick 2-point move.
Order submitted.
To go short, see if I can get in here at the price that I want, 45.86, which is what this is in. Oh, it's running away. It took too long to get into the trade. It's already moving into the target. Okay, so the rules that I teach as a trader is that we don't want to continue to take a trade more than once if it's already made the target. And so at this point, it's already made the target. I was a little slow here. I wanted to get exactly 45.86.
Order canceled.
So as an example, when this happens, the market lands in the zone. We're looking for it to not come and break it and continue to the next zone. We're looking for it to stop and then reverse, and that was my opportunity. Okay, I'll take the next trade. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com. The roadmap software is available with mentorship. Mentorship is starting this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Give us a call. I want to make sure the program is right for you. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.